This is the Ice Dragon. And when you print it, you can see the joints in between them that'll hold it together. And the icicle-y tail. And there's the head over there. And there's the feet. And the back feet. Front feet and back feet. And yeah, it says we have 35 more hours to go. 36 more hours to go. Yikes. It's going to be a big one. We are getting closer. Look at this. You can see all the joints. And you can see the feet are actually done printing. And the tail, if I can get it over here, you can see it's almost done. See the end of the tail? Look at the head right there. You can see the bottom of the jaw is done. It's just the top of the head's got to be printed. So it's getting there. It's that thick so far. And now there are 21 hours left. Wow. All right, we have 8 hours left, which still seems like an enormous amount of time, but check out the detail of this tail. That is really cool. This is gonna be really beautiful when it's done, and I'm glad we picked this color because it looks like ice. And you can see the head is coming along. We've got the more of the face. Now it's just the top and the antlers and all that stuff. And the feet and lower legs are all done, but that tail, check that out. So you can see how much is left. Not that much, but there's going to be spikes coming up off of here, off of all of those. Similar to these little spikes, but bigger ones across all these. And then the whole back. So, going to be very cool. 8 hours to go. Here we are. We have 1 minute left. Look at this guy. Just doing the final touches on the horns. Check that out. That is pretty amazing. Look at the detail. That is super cool. Is it done? Come on, wrap it up. Come on. I think that's it. Is that it? Oh, it's just a tiny touch.